In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful headband fascinator. I'm the Crafters on Facebook. I'm the Crafters on Instagram. Please follow me on my pages. So these are the basic materials we'll be needing for this project. I have my pleated crinoline, and you need just a yard of pleated crinoline. I have my padded headband. I have a video showing how to make a padded headband. Please watch it if you've not seen it yet. Then I have my scissors. I have a matching color of thread. I have my hand needle. I'm using the small needle in this case. And I have this net fabric. It's just a leftover from a previous project. I have less than a yard. Then I have Peter Sham ribbon. I have my bead cutter. I have this copper wire of 0.50 mm. I have UHU and glue gun, so either of those two will actually work. Then I have some crystal beads right here. I'll also be needing my office paints, our measuring tape, okay, and roses like this to embellish with. You can always embellish with anything, any accessory of choice. So if there's any other thing I didn't mention now, I'll show you while working. So I have my pleated crinoline, and we may not need up to 1 yard. What I have is about exactly 1 yard here. So we don't need up to, we'll just start with 1 yard, okay? So our padded headband, this is it. And we'll be needing our pins. That the first set of materials we'll be needing. So we're going to be covering this headband with our pleated crinoline. When you get to the end of the headband, you fold the crinoline in, fold it in before you fold over, okay, and we're going to stitch. We're going to stitch. It has to be really firm and neat. Stitch. Stitch like that. So I'm going to just tack it here and proceed to do the same to the other side. Alright friends, now I've secured my crinoline to my headband, and this is what we have. So the very next step is for us to use our UHU glue. We're going to secure our crinoline to our headband on this part with UHU, because you know we use our needle and thread to stitch it down. There are some parts that may actually be open, which your needle and thread may not have, or your thread may not have touched. So that's why we're using glue to seal the part up. So you can just open it up from the under and glue. Little glue like that. Going to allow it dry. So you're going to allow it dry, then you're going to press your crinoline down to it. Now we have secured it with glue. Now the next step is to trim this excess crinoline off. I've cut that part, the excess crinoline, off, and we're going to seal it again. You can apply glue just to be on the safe side. And the final step of making a crinoline headband like this is to cover this raw part with Peter Sham ribbon. I have some crystal beads here, and I'll be using my 0.50 mm wire, and I have my bead cutter. So I have my wire, just make it very long, maybe up to 40 inches, and I'm going to cut 30 to 40 inches. I'll just cut it like that, and I'm going to fold this in, can you see, and twist. That will serve as a stopper for us. So I'm going to put in my beads from here. From this other end, I'll put in all my beads. I have lesser beads, so I'll just be doing something very simple. Let me just give you the idea. We're going to start by bending the wire this way. Can you see what you feel will be enough for the size of vine you want to create? So I am going to start. I've folded it like that in. So I bring one bead up like this, and I'm going to twist. Just pull and twist like that. Okay, so this is what we have. I bring the second bead to it like that. Can you see? And I fold the wire this way, can you see? And I'm going to twist. So this wire that we have here, we're going to twist. We're going to twist over the other wire. Okay, and so I'm just using my eyes to measure what I feel will be enough, and I bring the next bead like this. I bring the third bead like that. Can you see? And I'm going to fold. Please just watch what I'm doing. I don't know if I'll be able to explain, or if you're watching, you will understand. Okay, so I'm going to twist. I'm going to twist like this. I can actually turn it this way. Can you see? And push it up. That forms another branch. Can you see? So the reason why we are twisting this over is because we cannot just bring up this bead here and twist. This part will be plain. You understand? So you need to twist this wire onto the main wire to continue that pattern. All right? So you just twist like that. So once you get to the point you've twisted onto, you continue with another bead. Can you see? So what you do is you bend this. You won't push the bead up here. You need to push it where you know you're going to be bending it. I mean, there's that point you're going to be bending it. Can you see? And you're going to twist. When you're twisting it to cover all this part. Can you see? Okay, so you can just push it this way. So this another branch. Can you see? It's just very, very easy. So this one will be twisted over the main wire like that. So you twist it up to the point you feel is okay for you to continue with the procedure. So I'm right here and I'm going to bend this here. Can you see? And I'm going to twist like that. I'm going to turn it this way so that I will have the branch this way. The procedure is very, very simple and easy to follow. Very, very simple and easy. It's very easy. So I just continue like that. Bend this over. You can use your bent nose or your round nose to press the end of the other wire, or your plier, anyone. I've pressed the end of the previous wire, so I just take it over like this and twist. Okay, just twist this over like that. You can see, like that, like that, like that, and press the end of the wire so that you have the sharp end. So you can always turn the branches whichever way you want. You can push it up. Can you see? Just push it up like that. So this is one. I'm going to be creating multiples of this because I'll be using this to embellish my headband. So I am through with my vines. As you can see, It all depends on how you want. If you want it more than this, just increase it. If you want to add more bits, increase it like that. This my net. The measurement is about 12 inches. The width is about 6.5 inches. So I'm just going to pleat the middle, the center of it like this. Move on to my vines. The first one I showed you how to remember the way I ended it. The other ones I did, I just left it like that straight because I'm going to be fixing this into it like this. Can you see? Then I'm going to take it back, twist it over like this backwards. So I pick the next one like that. And I'm going to twist. I just fix it in here. And twist backwards. Twist over like that and twist backwards. So I did the same, the fourth one. So this is what we have. Now I'm going to place this on my headband. And I'm going to tap